Hello everyone. In today's video we will continue the topic of regular expression. In this video we will see some expressions of using it and one example of using it to validate email in Uipath Studio. If you have not seen the part 1 of this, I will link it down below in the description box. The part 1 video describes various characters of regular expression, so make sure to check it out. Some simple examples of regular expressions are 1 \d curly brackets 10 contains an 11-digit string starting with a 1. Gr round brackets a pipe e having y outside the brackets contains strings like gray, gray. B square brackets a e I o u having bbl e outside the brackets contains strings like babble, babble, bibble, bobble, bubble. Hello \n world contains hello followed by a new line followed by world. Regular expression for matching the email ID is as follows. Square brackets upper and lower case a to z 0 to 9 digits plus, underscore, full stop, dash then plus at sign square brackets upper and lower case a to z 0 to 9 digits full stop, dash then plus dollar. Where matches the starting of the sentence. Square brackets upper and lower case a to z 0 to 9 digits plus, underscore, full stop, dash matches one character from the English alphabet, both cases, digits, plus, underscore, full stop and dash before the @ symbol. Plus indicates the repetition of the above-mentioned set of characters one or more times. @ sign matches itself. Upper and lower case a to z 0 to 9 digits full stop, dash matches one character from the English alphabet, both cases, digits, full stop and dash after the @ symbol. Dollar indicates the end of the sentence. So based on the previous expression, example.samplemail@gmail.com is valid whereas example.samplemail is invalid. Do comment if you got to know why. Now let's apply what we learned by implementing it in Uipath Studio. I have already created a flowchart and added a sequence and have it as start node. Now on this channel I have created lots of videos and shorts with various examples on using Excel. I will link down the playlist of it in the description box so you can check it out. I have created an Excel file which have some valid and invalid email IDs which we will be using for validation. Now I will give a quick overview here. So we are using Excel application scope to open up a workbook and we are reading entire sheet 1 and storing it as data table as DT, but as we need string values to match it with our regular expressions, we will use output data table which takes our input DT and will provide output as string which we are storing as DT1. Now drag and drop matches activity to use regular expression to validate our email IDs. Now click on configure regular expression. It will open regex builder editor. It has various regex options and you can also use the advanced options to build your own regular expressions formats by typing the format in the value field. Now as I said, you can use your own email ID format of regular expression, but as you can see the Uipath Studio provides its built-in format of email ID. We are going to use that for this example. Leave the quantifiers option as exactly then 1 as we require that. Click on save. Now provide input to the matches as DT1 which is string. And the output will be a enumerable collection of matching IDs, so press Ctrl+K to create a enumerable variable. I have named it as valids. Now drag and drop for each loop to iterate over the enumerable variable valids to access individual values for printing. Drag and drop right line activity to display valid email IDs by typing text as double quotes valid IDs : plus current item to string. Click on Run File from Debug File drop-down. So out of our 5 email IDs input, only 2 were valid according to the format used in the regex builder, which are displayed as follows in the output panel. So that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe this channel for more such content.